Our team is proud to highlight our implementation of phased array UT inspection technology, realizing cost and outage critical path savings at Quad Cities Clean Energy Center. Beginning in 2024 and again in the 2025 Quad Cities refueling outage, Constellation Turbine Services performed the major inspections of all 6 Alstom ND48 low-pressure turbines, employing a blades-in phased array ultrasonic testing process, leveraging an innovative approach to an existing technology to improve outage performance.
Standard low-pressure turbine major inspections require physical removal and independent NDE testing of each low-pressure turbine rotor last stage blades, the L-0 blades, whereas the innovative implementation of phased array ultrasonic testing technology allowed a blades-in inspection with the blades remaining in place and the NDE inspection of the blade roots and steeples performed using phased array ultrasonic testing.
To develop and qualify the blades-in phased array UT methodology for this application, extensive engineering analysis was performed.
Due to the implementation of the blades-in inspection of the low-pressure turbines, requirements for lifting, rigging, and material handling by turbine service personnel were greatly reduced.
Performance of blades-in phased array UT major inspections of the last stage blades is projected to result in a savings of over $50 million for Constellation over the course of 6 Alstom low-pressure turbine major inspection outages and up to 2.5 weeks of critical path time. As a result, the blades-in phased array UT inspection project markedly enhances Constellation's outage performance in budget, schedule, safety, and human performance. Thank you for joining us.